CERN's International High School Teacher Program has been running since 1998, and in the year 2025, 46 teachers from 36 countries are participating. On the morning of the first day of the 2025 program, participants received an introduction to the International High School Teachers Program. They completed a first session on concept maps and were then presented with an introduction to CERN session. The Atlas detector is one of two general-purpose detectors at the LHC. Construction began in the mid to late 1990s, and it's located 100 metres under point 1 at the LHC in Switzerland. Its dimensions are 46 metres long, 25 metres in diameter, and weighing around 7,000 tonnes, making it the largest volume particle detector ever constructed. July the 4th, 2012, Atlas alongside CMS announced the discovery of a new particle consistent with the Higgs boson, a key missing component of the Standard Model. The Synchrocyclotron was built to serve as CERN's first particle accelerator, capable of accelerating protons to 600 megaelectron volts. It helped establish CERN's credibility in the global scientific community and trained the first generations of European accelerator physicists and engineers. The day concluded with an introduction to particle physics presentation by Professor Jonathan R. Ellis from King's College London.